Mentri ketenaga koit khiah ryngkat jingsynran lang Director ke Health Service Dr. Amanwar HaKhasi Balang mynta taiew leit jurip jingpynkhreh ke Neigrihms Hospital na ke bynta iakhun ke khlam jingpang COVID-19. Hakini ke jurip Director ke Neigrihms upi Bhattacharya pentip bekalong ke bae ban penbo ni ke jingthia ke badan berki oksigen bar kinong trairu kiduna. Uang dan ke bor ban thumkam palat na ke balabu la nebei dak Sorkar kami. Ya ke bynta kidan sispat li jingthia ke badan berka oksigen live hoteli jingthia na ke bynta ke bapang COVID-19 ki bamdan oksigen bar arbusan teli ha ICU. Ke hospital ke lakhod rui ke jiarap jiki kena puli doktor bar ki badang shupas bar yakini radep ai ke training ha ke bynta ke bede berka khlam COVID-19.
These are challenges for which we had been preparing last time. So we trained other doctors and nurses from other parts of the hospital, even the preclinical, paraclinical, even the laboratory services. So they were trained in managing COVID ICU patients. And when this came up, we have called upon their services, given them refresher training, and now they are working with us. We need people, to maintain communication with the relations, wanting to know what is happening to my patient. Sometimes we need people to sometimes bring medicines for them from the pharmacy. We don't want to send the attendants of the COVID patients because they may be weak, they may also be becoming COVID affected. So we are getting other staff. So we are calling upon our staff from administrative section, final year MBBS students, fourth year MBBS students, interns. So they are all coming together so that the services can be given.
Ubahek ulapan pau ke jingkemen ban yoi ke jingpynkhreh ke Neigrihms Hospital baruang ba ke Sorkar Jylla ke long ke bakloi ban ai ke Jingkyrshan yakni ke hospital lada ke donkam jiarap.
Donkam benyo ia ke order naga government of India. Idon ke limitation yogi idon kita hendrai kiman power ke dibenyo ke order naga government India as said by the our respected director of Neigrihms.
Kita juga bakal Sorkar nak menyelek benyo kita ke order kai.
Kani dah kalian ikut tinggi dah kalian jangka review meeting bagi long ikut ban support. Ya kani ban ag supplement ya kiman power. Ya kita ngidai iklan tang haki private hospital, impat iklan haki government hospital ke badai jong ka government of India.